the pedestrians, and
Yeah.
today we're in a waterfall.
We really make it.
Yeah, my mom is still trying. There, let's go. So we got the waterfall right over there. That's pretty sick. And we got a gazebo over up there.
Let's go there.
Yeah, there's a little like a pond, a lily pads, and also some trees up there.
There's some scary parts there.
Yeah, some scary parts with some
But
fish.
you can make it easy way.
It's kind of loud, so I need to be close to the mic of this my phone. Pretty nice. Yeah, they're trying to get up. So it's kind of nice view. Let's just enjoy. There's like a area right there to chill down. Yeah, that's pretty cool. If you guys enjoyed the video, smash the like button to subscribe. I think this just short, like 51 minutes. 51 seconds. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Bye.